Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, a recipe one today. This is like a second part to one of my previous video that I had done in which I had used my non-stick roti press. I got tremendous response for the recipe and thank you so much for trying it out. And to tell about the roti press again, I haven't yet found any online links for purchasing it, nor did I get any links to their company website. I bought this from Kerala during my last vacation. Many of you might have seen my shopping glimpse in one of my previous videos. In that I had showed the shop from where I got this. I don't know if it's available elsewhere. It was from Jamjum hypermarket. This shop is in a place named Perindal Manna in the district of Malappuram in Kerala. They have a shop in Malappuram town itself. This video was taken by my father upon my request. This is the one in Malappuram town. It's a supermarket. Now this is the box in which it came in. I have kept it safe as it has 1 year warranty in case of any damage. You can see the name is Jiva. It's non-stick. Now here is the price. I got it from this shop at rupees 999. The market price is 1150 rupees, but this shop has their rate a little reduced. That's JRP, Jamjum rate. This is not a sponsored or paid promotion video. This shop has almost all the products at a lesser rate, so we usually prefer to buy from here. That's how I bought this, so just sharing my information. It was a little pricey because the normal roti press comes in 500 rupees range, but I used to put plastic on the surface to make the rotis much flatter, so now I could avoid that. If at all I get a link for purchasing online, I shall definitely update you all. Now back to the recipe. Using the roti press, I am making the rice roti or the pathiri that we call, and to go along, preparing a vegetarian dish, soya chunk roast. Taking out my mother-in-law's roasted coconut from the freezer. I have shown the rice roti earlier too. Here I am boiling 2 1/4 cup of water. Adding some salt. Then in the same measure, taking 2 cups of rice flour. When the water boils, add the flour and mix. After a minute, off the flame. Cover and keep aside. Here I am taking 3 cups of soya chunks. Adding enough hot boiling water over the soya chunks. Cover and keep aside. Meantime, let's prepare for the roast. Taking 1 medium-sized onion, green chilies, few garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, some curry leaves, and 1 large tomato. I have taken 3 green chilies here. A handful of curry leaves. I am crushing the green chilies, ginger and garlic in my mortar and pestle. You can grind or even chop them. slicing the onion. Heat a kadai and add some oil. I'm using coconut oil here. You can go for any or even use ghee for extra taste. Adding curry leaves first. Then goes in the crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute very well. Once done, add the sliced onion and let the onion go really soft. Chop the tomato. Add to the onions. Add some salt and mix. Cover and let it cook in low flame. Then by this time the soya chunks have been well soaked. Now squeeze out the water completely from it. Don't take too much at a time while squeezing, a maximum of 4 or 5 or else you will end up breaking it. The tomato is well cooked and all soft. Adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder and quarter to half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well till the spices are well roasted for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Then goes in the soya chunks and mix well till the masala is well spread over the chunks. Add half cup of water and mix. Don't add too much water, the soya chunks will absorb all the water and won't taste good. Cover and cook in very low flame for a few minutes. Meanwhile, onto the coconut. This was brought from Kerala. My mom-in-law had done this for me. It's just coconut roasted along with some turmeric powder, curry leaves and some fennel seeds. Shall post a video on this soon. I'm using just 1 cup of the roasted coconut, not adding any water. Just made it into a fine powder. The oil from the coconut has oozed out little. Add it to the soya roast. Adding half cup of boiling water. Mix again very well for 3 to 4 minutes and the dish is ready. Kneading the dough very well. If you feel the dough is sticky, add water and knead again. The more you knead, you get best results. Make balls out of it. Onto the side, adding some rice flour. Taking each ball and press. The pathiri has come out very well, thin and perfectly in round shape. Pat it in the rice flour. Preparing each the same way. Place each roti onto the tawa or pan that's heated on a medium flame. After a minute, turn over to the other side. Then when you see white bubbles on top, turn over and lightly press to fluff up the roti. Then take it out. Wipe the pan before placing the next one. Prepare everything the same way. Time to serve. So that ends today's video. Hope you would try it out and I would love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.